How to get $40 off Uber Eats promo code. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If you wish to get amazing offers, discounts, and such promo code on Uber Eats, you have come to the right place. So first and foremost, head over to any of your preferred browser and search in Uber Eats promo code. Scroll down until you see the website retailmenot.com. Additionally, you will also see the website from Uber Eats providing you with the exclusive offers. You can even use it. So once you reach to retailmenot.com, tap the search bar to search for Uber Eats. Hereby you will see top offers that are verified as well. So you can scroll down to check for different deals and coupon codes available. Additionally, you also have cashback offers on this website. So, based on your interest, choose on the code that you would like to use. Tap on it and copy the code. After that, head over to Uber Eats, get your favorite items, and while you check out, you can use this code to redeem the discount offer. So that's it for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching.